Our 32-inch countertop dry display case. First off, the overall dimensions. The length, we have a total of 32.5 inches. The depth of 14.25 inches. And the overall height of 14.5 inches. Dual slide doors and the center shelf with the overall dimensions of 12 inches in depth, length of 31.25 inches, and a height of 7 inches. And again, the dimensions for the bottom will apply for the top as well too. Coming to the side will be your ETL certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.